In Adriel, you have the ability to create custom metrics. Let's get started with a basics video. To set up your custom metrics, head on over to Widget Settings, and where it says Metric Edit, select Edit, and then Add Custom Metric at the top near the search bar. Here's where you'll name your custom metric. You'll want to make sure that there are no special characters in this naming convention, otherwise it will not save. You can change whether or not it's a numeric value, a percentage, or a currency, depending on what the output value is equal to. You can also adjust the significant digits to be to the 10th or the 100th. Now, in the formula box, when you select in the box, you will not see your cursor, but it is operating. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add a metric first. For this sample use case, I'm going to go and add ad spend, and then I'm going to multiply it by 1.03 to add on a 3% margin to this ad spend. Here we'll name it cost. And the output here is a currency, decimal digits is to the 100th, and then I can go ahead and select create. Now I can also save on this view, so it'll only be available on this specific view if you have multiple custom metrics that are similar but different across different dashboards that you're creating either for your customers or yourself, just to keep everything organized well. Now you'll see add a condition here too. If you are to add a condition, what this means is conditionally by channel, let's say I only want the ad spend metric to be referencing the LinkedIn ad spend in this particular formula, then I would go ahead and select the metric. So now anytime ad spend is used in the formula, it is related to or referencing LinkedIn's ad spend, not any of the other ad spends in the data sources. I'll go ahead and delete this just to show what this final will look like. So I'll hit create. And there you see custom now is available in your list of metrics, and you can select cost. And it's going to take that ad spend metric and apply that 3% increase on, so the customer knows that their cost is $11,939 as opposed to what it is with just the ad spend, which is that $11,592. This is just the start to setting up your custom metrics. You can go as far as you'd like with this, with any type of formula. Couple of tips and tricks here is if you are to add a custom metric that is a division, you'll want to make sure that you hit that / first, and then you can apply the numerator and denominator here. Now you'll also want to follow the order of operations in order to set up your formulas correctly so that they do calculate out as intended. This is how you set up custom metrics, and please send us a message in the help section if you have any questions.